AI is not just helping businesses grow. In some cases, it is replacing them. I'm Lorri Lomnitzer, a patent and trademark attorney in Florida. I work with businesses and creators to protect what they have built. And right now, one of the biggest concerns I am hearing is, can AI take my content or my business? And if it does, who is actually responsible? Let's walk through this the way I explain it to clients. First, yes, AI can impact your business in a very real way. If your content is being used to train AI systems without your permission, that means your work is helping create tools that could compete with you. Now, from a legal standpoint, there are a few different ways this plays out. One is training. If an AI company used your copyrighted work without permission to train its system, you may have a claim against that company. That is why we are seeing lawsuits from publishers, artists, and content creators right now. But here is what I want you to understand. The second issue is output. If someone else uses AI to create content that looks or sounds like yours, and it crosses the line into infringement, you are not suing the AI itself. You are usually going after the person or business that published that content. So if someone uses AI to copy your work, they can be liable. But at the same time, if you are using AI and it creates something that infringes on someone else's rights, you can also be liable. That is a risk a lot of businesses are not thinking about. Now, let's talk about something else that can affect your business model. Not all AI-generated content is protected. If content is created entirely by AI without using meaningful human input, it may not qualify for copyright protection. What does that mean for you? It means competitors can take that content and reuse it, and you may not have strong rights to stop them. There's also another issue that comes up more than people expect: defamation. If AI generates something false about a person or a business and you publish it, you can be responsible for that. Not the AI company, you. That is why using AI without any review or control is a serious legal risk. So when clients ask me, who do I sue? The answer is, it depends. It depends on what actually happened. Sometimes it is the AI company, sometimes it is the person using the AI, and sometimes the bigger issue is making sure you are not the one exposed to liability. So here is what I want you to take away from this. AI is not just a tool. It is something that can directly impact your business, your content, and your legal risk. You cannot assume you are protected, and you cannot assume someone else will be responsible. If you have questions about your exposure or how to put the right protections in place, reach out to our firm. We can walk you through your specific situation and help you understand where the risks are and what you can do about them. Because in this space, being proactive is what protects your business. Waiting until there is a problem is what creates it.